it can be very hard to decide which WordPress theme to choose. I have tested dozens of themes just to find out that most of them were completely useless. So I went on a mission to find out the 7 best WordPress themes for this year. I will show you the themes that I actually recommend and a breakdown of what makes each one special and how to set them up properly, so you don't need to waste hours behind the screen like I did. And the first theme is Astra. This is my go-to theme, and here is why over 1.6 million websites already use it. It's incredibly small and fast. You see, most themes slow down your site, but Astra keeps everything running smoothly. But what I really love about Astra is that it works with everything. Do you want to use Elementor? No problem. Or just stick with the regular block editor on WordPress? Astra works perfectly with both of them. You can add an online store, contact forms, or any other features you need. Everything just works together without breaking your site. When it comes to SEO, Astra naturally helps Google understand your content better, which means better search rankings and more visitors coming to your site every day. Later in this video, I'll show you how you can get Astra Pro, the premium version of Astra, for completely free. But before that, let's jump into the next theme on our list. It's called GeneratePress. If Astra is small, then GeneratePress is tiny. This is what people choose when they want complete control without any extra features slowing things down. This theme is built really well, it works perfectly on phones and tablets from day one, and it works well with any WordPress plugins that you might want to add. GeneratePress stands out because of its focus on performance, on the clean code and a lot of customization options. And it is a good choice for developers or users that are comfortable with coding, because it allows for a higher level of customization and flexibility. But even if you don't know how to code, this theme is user-friendly, especially with the premium version and its starter templates. Now, before I show you the rest of the themes, there is something crucial that you need to know. Most people are sabotaging their website before they even choose a theme, because they use slow hosting. It's usually called shared hosting, and you could have the best theme in the world, but on a slow hosting, you're fighting an impossible battle in terms of SEO. And I know what you're probably thinking. The better option, called cloud hosting, must cost a fortune, or it must take hours to set it up. This is why today I would like to recommend you that you check out my hosting partner, Cloudways. With them, you can get cloud hosting starting at $14 a month and have it running in minutes. You pay as you go, and there are no hidden charges. You can also choose your cloud provider from DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and some more options. Plus, you get built-in security and 24/7 support from actual engineers, not some AI bots. Just click the first link in the description below to see how their pricing works. They offer 4 pricing plans based on your needs, and you can start with the micro plan at $14 per month, which is perfect for personal websites or simple blogs. Now choose your plan and click Start a free trial, and you will get 3 days to try Cloudways completely free. Now you can start creating your site. For this tutorial, we're choosing the latest WordPress version. Give your application a name. This becomes your website name. Name your server, where you can host multiple websites, by the way, and give your project a name to organize everything. Now for the important part, choosing your cloud provider. I will choose DigitalOcean's plan at $14, and here you get 1 GB RAM, 1 core processor, 25 GB storage, and 1 TB bandwidth, which is perfect for starters. Then you can choose your server location based on where you get most of your audience. But if you're not sure yet, New York works well for global audiences. Then click Launch Now and watch your cloud server get created. Perfect, your server is active. Now, applications here are your websites, and you can add multiple applications to the same server. From here, click your application name to enter Cloudways settings. Then click your application URL to see your default WordPress site. To change the basic theme, access your WordPress admin panel by clicking the admin panel link. Your username is your email and your password is under the button. Let's use these to log in. I really like how it's easy to install a theme on Cloudways. Just go to Appearance, then Themes and Add New. I'd like to show you how to install Astra theme, so click Activate. Astra comes with starter templates for all businesses. To access them, go to Appearance, Starter Templates and choose Classic Starter Templates. Then select Block Editor. Now you have hundreds of template categories. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose Professionals and then Finance. Now look at these professional templates. Some are premium, but many are actually free. And we're going to pick the first free one that pops up. Once you've chosen your template, preview it and customize colors and fonts however you like. When you're happy, just click Continue, add extra features if you're familiar with them, or skip and hit Submit and build my site. 18 seconds later, you have a functioning website. Click View your website to see the result. And like I mentioned earlier, you can get Astra Pro, which is $59 value, for completely free with a Cloudways plan. In the Cloudways dashboard, click on this button that says Add-ons, View all add-ons, and then look for Astra Pro. Click on it and hit subscribe. Once you do that, you will get a year's worth of Astra Pro for free. After that year ends, you will be billed $4 a month to keep it active. And Cloudways made the best offer they could to my audience. Just use the first link below to sign up and the coupon code Anastasia to get a 30% discount on your first 3 bills. Perfect. Now that you've got your hosting sorted, let's dive into the other 5 themes that made my list. The next one is called Kadence. This theme is like getting a complete design studio. You get advanced design tools, header customization, and a built-in page builder that would normally cost you hundreds in extra plugins. What's really impressive is how they've grown to over 200,000 users in the first 2 years since this theme was released, and by now it's installed on more than 400,000 websites. That kind of growth only happens when people are genuinely happy with what they're getting. And what I love is how flexible it is. So whether you need it for blogs, for business sites, or online stores, Kadence is a perfect option for you. What I really like about it is that header and footer builders are already included even in their free version. Now, if you want something that has been battle tested by hundreds of thousands of users over the years, OceanWP is another great option. Unlike Kadence, it has been around 4 years longer, which means it's had more time to prove itself. With OceanWP, you get reliable e-commerce features, multiple header styles, and everything that you need for a professional online store. It has that good balance between features and speed, which makes it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced WordPress users. Now let's move on to our next theme, Neve. The beauty about this theme is that your site will load super fast. But unlike Astra, Neve is optimized for phones from the beginning. The theme is fully AMP compatible, which guarantees faster loading times on mobile devices. So this is perfect if you are blogging or creating a site for your online brand, especially if you get a lot of traffic from Pinterest like I do to my blog. You see, most of the audience these days is on mobile devices, so optimizing your site for smaller screens and mobile internet should be your top priority. But if you are the type of person who prefers to keep things simple and use WordPress exactly as it was designed, then Blocksy is for you. Instead of adding complicated page builders, this theme makes the basic WordPress editor really powerful. What makes Blocksy different is that it's built specifically for people who want to stick with WordPress's native tools. You get beautiful modern designs without needing to learn any new software or complicated builders. And because of that, the design style for this theme is clean and modern. So it's a perfect option if you are in corporate or you're building a portfolio site for yourself. And if you want the complete opposite, all the features instead of simplicity, then you need to know about Avada. It is considered one of the best-selling WordPress themes of all time. You see, when you buy Avada, you're not just getting a theme, you're getting an entire design system worth over $200, access to tons of professional templates. With over 100 ready-made designs, you're pretty much guaranteed to find something that will be perfect for your business. And because they have so many customers, their support team has to be top-notch, which they are. And Avada is known for its flexibility and extensive customization options. One of the best parts about it is its powerful drag-and-drop page builder called Fusion Builder. Plus, Avada includes options for optimizing website speed, such as lazy loading and caching. So if you are an agency or a professional who needs absolutely everything, and spending isn't an issue, then this theme is perfect option for you. These themes have been around for years, so you know they work. New ones show up every week, but most of them cause problems or just disappear very fast. I would rather use something reliable than something that looks cool but breaks my site. And if you want to grab a free Astra Pro theme and hosting that will not let you down, I left a Cloudways link in the description. You get 3 days to try everything for free, and honestly, once you see how fast your site loads, you will not want to go back to your slow hosting. Now, if you want to see the must-have WordPress plugins, check the video linked up there. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one!